Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has finally fixed a bug that was caused by an update to Windows 10 and Windows 11 that rolled out about 7 months ago, which was causing some apps to fail to playback, record, or capture video. So if we head to our update history, the update we are looking for is the update that rolled out near the end of June last year, KB 5027303. This rolled out for Windows 11, and that was the optional bug fix C release update that rolled out for that month. And Microsoft says over on their known issues health dashboard page that after installing this update 5027303 or later updates, some apps might fail to playback, record, or capture video when using the WVC1 codec, also known as VC1. They also mention that certain cameras or webcams might also fail to work if they use the WVC1 codec by default. So that was the issue. Now, with this announcement, this issue has now finally been resolved, where Microsoft says the issue was resolved in updates released on the 23rd of January 2024. So that's this update, KB 5034204. That's the update for Windows 11. And that was the optional bug fix C release update that rolled out at the end of January, or any later update. So that would be the February Patch Tuesday security update as well. And Microsoft says they recommend you install the latest security update, which is this update, for your device, as apparently it contains important improvements and issue resolutions, including this one. So just make sure your device is up to date. If you were experiencing some apps that might fail to playback, record, or capture video, and the affected platforms, as mentioned, are Windows 11 across the board and also Windows 10 version 22H2. So as I always say, better late than never, and this one took 7 months for Microsoft to finally fully resolve and officially fix. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.